In this example we will begin the creation of a wrench by modeling the arm. With an open part document, we open a sketch in the upper plane. Keep track of profile development. In this area we create two arches and between them a free curve, because we need to have this control of tangency on both sides. We insert the geometric and dimensional constraints. With the sketch set, we extrude with the average flat condition with 15 mm. On the face shown, we create a center rectangle 250 mm long and 7.5 high. We activate the cutting feature, change the option from to offset, with 35 mm. We choose the passing condition and change the direction. Now we open a sketch on the face of the back of the mordant. We convert two entities and create the rest of the profile. For the arcs, we apply a tangents with the edges shown, so it will not be necessary to enter a radius quota. We confirm and apply the cut in this direction with 11 mm, and in the other as passing. We apply rounding on virtually the entire edge of the model, with 2 mm. On this interface, we open a sketch, convert and close the arch. We cut it in a passing way. In the upper plane we draw the profile shown and then quote. We cut with orientation in the middle plane, with 5 mm. In the right plane we draw a circle 3 mm in diameter and 10 mm away from this other hole. We cut to the surface shown. On the upper face of the model we open a sketch. We draw a center rectangle and quotate. We apply a passing cut. We chamfer 1.5 mm away, 45 degrees. Now we apply rounding to the edges shown. We open a sketch on this face, leave it selected, and activate the offset feature. We change the value to 4 mm and confirm. We adjust the sketch as shown. We cut only 2 mm deep. We do the same on the other side, or we just mirror it. We round the edges shown with 2 mm, and then with 1 mm we round the corners. In this area it is possible to write something related to this instrument. Just create a sketch, use the text tool, and then extrude. In my case, I'll leave it without writing. To finish, we open a sketch on this face and draw the measurement scale. We create 4 rectangles. We add the geometric relations of collinearity and equality. We quote until we completely restrict the sketch. With the standard linear tool, we create some copies, follow up. We confirm and cut with 0.5 mm. We mirror this feature with reference in the top plane. And so we end this example, where we develop the wrench arm.